Part 2, comparison of numbers. So very first, if I want to compare the two fruits, so for example, take an apple and a watermelon. By seeing itself, I can say, so the size of the apple is very small. Okay, so if I want to compare the two persons' height, by seeing itself I can say who is shorter and who is taller. Otherwise, by measuring the height of the person, I can say who is taller. Like that, if I want to compare the two numbers, so there is some certain rules for comparing two numbers. So very first rule is, first we have to say how many digits are there. If there is a more digit, that number is the greatest number. See here. So first number 4,46,783. So how many digits are involved here? Here 6 digits are involved. Okay, so next see the number 8,765. So how many digits are here? Here 4 digits are involved. So which is the greatest? 6 is the greatest. That means 4,56,783 is the greatest one. What is the second rule? If both the number having the same number of digit, then you have to see the first digit. So if the first number is greater, that number is the greater one. So see here the example 514. So how many digits are involved here? 3 digits are involved. So 298. How many digits are involved here? 3 digits are involved. Both the numbers having same number of digits, that is 3. So next I have to compare the first digit. What is the first digit is here? 5. What is the first digit here? 2. So which is the greatest? 5 is the greatest. So the 514 is the greatest number when compared with 298. If the first two digits are same, what is the next rule we have to follow? You have to compare the second number. So if the second number is greater, then the number is the greatest number. If both are having the second digit as a same digit, then you have to compare the third digit. So like that you have to compare and write the number which is greater and which is smallest. So see here an example. First you have to compare how many digits are there. So check here 64,283. So how many digits are here? Here 5 digits are presented here. 63,198. So how many digits are presented here? 5 digits are represented here. So which one is greater? Both are having the same number of digits. So we can't say which one is greater and which one is smaller. So we have to see the first digit. What is the first digit here? 6. So here also we are having the first digit as 6. So now you have to compare the second digit. What is the second digit here? 4, and here the second digit is a 3. So which is greater? 4 is greater than 3. So which number is greater? 64,283 is greater than 63,198. So next we are going to see about the ascending order. So what is an ascending order? The number which are arranged from small to big, that is called as an ascending order. So there is also a certain rules for arranging the numbers in an ascending order. So what is the first rule? We have to count the number of digits. So if the number of digits are small, so that number should be arranged first. So see here the example. So first number, see here the first number 2,456. How many digits are involved here? 4 digits are involved. So see the next number 343. How many digits are involved here? 3 digits are involved here. So next see the number 5,641. How many digits are here? 4 digits are here. Then see the next number 3,489. So how many digits are here? 4 digits are here. Which is the smallest digit? 343. It have the 3 digit number. So it should be arranged first. Okay. So the next other 3 numbers are having the same number of digit 4. So what is the next rule? We have to compare the first digit. Okay. So what is the first digit here? 2, and here 5, and here 3. So which is the smallest one? 2 is the smallest one. So that should be arranged second. So this is the second smallest number. So now compare the other two numbers. So what is the other two numbers? 5 and 3. So which is the smallest one? 3 is the smallest one. That should be arranged as a third smallest number. So the last number is an 5641. So that should be arranged as a fourth smallest number. Okay, so this is an ascending order. Next we are going to see about the descending order. What is in descending order? The numbers are arranged from big to small. That is called as a descending order. So there is also certain rules to arrange the numbers in a descending order. So what is the first rule? We have to count the number of digits. So if any number having the more number of digits, that number is arranged as the first number. So for very first, count the digit here. Here we are having the 4 digit. So here also we are having 4 digit, and here also we are having 4 digit. So here the last number also having the 4 digit. So each and every number are having the same number of digit. So we have to compare the first number. So that is the second rule. So what is the first number? 4 here, and here 8. And here 2 and here 9. So which is the greatest number? 9 is the greatest number. So that should be arranged first. Okay, so what is the second greatest number? 8. So the second greatest number 8 should be arranged second. Okay, what is the third greatest number? 4 is the third greatest number. That should be arranged third. What is the last greatest number? 2. That should be arranged fourth.